Hi, this is Joel Hill with eSoftware Associates, and in today's video I'm going to show you a ticketing system for maintenance requests. This particular client of ours, USA Hoist, contracted us to build an entire maintenance application for them, and what you're looking at right now is their primary dashboard for it. What you'll see is 6 buttons with counts of each of the different types of requests depending on your profile and what you're able to see. So this dashboard is set up so that the supervisors as well as the overall managers can see what's assigned to them versus a basic user would only be able to see add new as well as my open. Assign mechanics is for the supervisors, so they can actually assign mechanics to requests that are related to them based on who creates it. And finally, the overall arching managers can see all open reports as well as review and close tickets that have been completed. All right, so let's dive in. So this is their new request for a maintenance request. They have the ability to choose from existing problems that they might have requested already, as well as type their own. Callback phone number, pretty simplistic. It does the formatting for them. So we do 666, 4111, 8888, drop down. It will automatically format it for them. I won't go through all of these fields, but you can see looks pretty much like a ticketing system. Track color name, when it was logged, information related to this. These are all queries against existing information. So it can pull up a job number, location description. They can choose various hoists that are associated with this particular location, and these are all dynamic as well. So if we choose a different one, you'll see that the information changes. There's no hoist associated with this location. Let's go and find a different one. So for this location, there's a hoist for this. And then these are their escalation points as well. So this request, as it goes out, will send an email out to let them know if there's an entrapment or a shutdown. It helps with the escalation processes that they have in place for routing and notifications. Hit save. Just to remind you, there is a squeaky wheel is the name of the request. Come back out. And before I should put it out, this was a number 9. This is now a number 10 for we need to assign a mechanic. So let's go assign a mechanic. Like I said, only the supervisors have the ability to assign mechanics. Obviously, we're kind of in as an admin right now. Here's our one that we just requested called There is a Squeaky Wheel. The view that you're looking at here, it's kind of a ticketing card view. This is on purpose because most of the requests are viewed on mobile phones. So they want to not be scrolling left and right. They really want to, as they're scrolling down in a mobile view, they want all of the information nice and tidy. So this works on a PC view, as you can see, but really this is for a responsive type view so that as it starts squishing down, they can really start seeing their information as outlined. They can also pull up information already from this, so if they want to go look at the information for a hoist or a job, simply click on it, and it pulls up pertinent information about this hoist. So I just pulled up hoist 201. You can see the manufacturer, information around all of it. Let's go edit this request. So right now I'm going to go assign a mechanic. If you didn't notice, these fields were not visible in the create new. So now these fields are now visible based on the status that was assigned. It automatically tags today's date. We're going to assign it to ourselves. Looks up the person's information, hit save. Now I have a new open report assigned to me. Let's go take a look. Here is our squeaky wheel. Let's go into it as if I am a mechanic. Let's see, a whole lot of other information is now available. Ticket numbers, when the repair starts and ends, overtime, standard hours, reasons they might have done anything, any supporting images they can attach to. And lastly, they can actually go in and say, okay, I have actually completed the work. So let's hit closed and complete. Moves it right along. We're now up to a count of 2 for review and close. Here's our squeaky wheel again. Come in and edit. And this is the overarching manager's job to say, yes, I reviewed all the details here. I agree this is closed and complete. And I'm good with all of the information that's been edited here. So I can click review, hit save. And that ticket is officially gone through the entire process for them. You can see the review and close drop back down to 1. And then they can view all of the requests as well. This takes you more into a standard SharePoint look and feel. But here is our squeaky wheel. Here's our squeaky wheel down here. And you can see lots of other tests going on here, but it's just a test environment to give you a picture of what is capable within SharePoint. Hope you enjoyed. Feel free to pass it along. Thanks. Bye.